For some people, even the slightest noise can make sleeping impossible. Are you one of them? If so, stick around because I have some great tips to help you achieve a quiet sleep environment, even with a CPAP machine on. In the CPAP world, noise is one of the biggest complaints, especially when switching to a new machine. Most CPAPs on the market today are whisper quiet. The advances in technology have made these devices ultra powerful and yet remain operating with minimal sound to provide uninterrupted sleep. Home CPAPs like the ResMed AirSense 11 have bigger motors and more space for noise insulation, making them quieter overall. Travel CPAPs, on the other hand, like the ResMed AirMini, have to pack the same power into a much smaller footprint. That means less room for sound dampening and a slightly different airflow system, which can make them a bit louder. The ResMed AirMini is one of the smallest, most travel-friendly CPAPs out there. But how quiet is it? Today we're putting the AirMini to the test. You'll hear it in real time, unfiltered, so you know exactly what to expect. Plus, I'll share some simple tricks to make it even quieter. Let's get into it. Let's start off with a sound test. Let's hear the AirMini at different pressure levels. Here, you can listen to the AirMini at a pressure of 4, which is the lowest setting. Next up, we have it at a pressure of 10, which is about average. And finally, we have it at a pressure of 15, which is one of the higher pressure levels. As you can hear, the sound does change slightly as pressure increases. The AirMini noise can be compared to sounds like whispering, a fan, and white noise. If that level of noise is alright with you, then you'll have no trouble drifting off into sleep. In fact, some people even find the gentle whooshing sound soothing, like white noise that actually helps them relax. But if you're more sensitive to sound, don't worry, I've got some easy fixes coming up. Okay, so how does the AirMini compare to a full-size CPAP? The AirSense 11 runs at about 25 to 27 decibels. That's about as quiet as a whisper. The AirMini runs at about 30 decibels, still really quiet, but you might notice a slight whooshing sound near the vent. So yes, the AirMini is a tiny bit louder than a full-size CPAP, but is it loud enough to be a problem? Let's talk about that. Now, if you're sensitive to sound, here's how to make your AirMini even quieter. Number 1. Use the HumidX filter. The built-in HumidX system softens airflow sounds and reduces dryness. A game changer for comfort. Also, another reason your machine can be very loud is because it needs a filter change. So change the filter on time because if it does this clogging the filter, it can create a whistling sound. We suggest you change the filter every 2 months. Here is how to replace your filter. Number 2. Placing your AirMini on a soft surface like a nightstand mat absorbs vibrations and keeps it from amplifying sound. Number 3. Use a CPAP muffler. This simple attachment can reduce noise from the hose and make everything sound smoother. This accessory was originally made for the Breeze travel machine, but it actually works with all CPAP machines. Number 4. Try a VCOM. This comfort accessory reduces the extremities of the pressure waves without compromising pressure results. This can help dampen the sound between inhalation and exhalation noise, creating a more even sound which is less intrusive. With these quick fixes, you can make the AirMini even quieter than it already is. Is the AirMini quiet enough for you? So, bottom line, how loud is the AirMini? At 30 decibels, it's quieter than a fan and close to the sound of gentle white noise. If you're used to a full-size CPAP, you might notice a small difference, but most users adjust quickly. And for travelers, the portability trade-off is totally worth it. What do you think? Would you take the AirMini on your next trip? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. And check the link down below for my favorite AirMini accessories, including all the ones I mentioned in this video.